Okay, let's be honest. Eyeliner goes wrong all the time. You blink, your hand shakes, or the wing decides to rebel. Starting over isn't always an option. So here are 3 life-saving tricks to fix your eyeliner without wiping the whole face off. So stay with me. Trick number 1. Smudge into a smoky look. So your wing went wrong, maybe it's too thick, or maybe your hand was shaky, or maybe it's uneven. This is your chance to make it better. And do not panic. Grab a small brush or cotton swab and gently smudge the eyeliner outward, following the natural curve of your eye. And remember, you're not erasing, you're just softening. You see that? This is it. You can also add a touch of dark eyeshadow to complete your look. It could be black, brown, or even deep plum. I'm adding a brown eyeshadow. Blend it to the crease or outer corner to create depth. So you can easily turn the chaos into a smoky vibe. It's not a mistake, it's a mood. Tip number 2, clean with precision. Dip a cotton swab in micellar water or makeup remover, just enough to dampen the tip, not soak it. You want control, not a flood. Gently trace the lower edge or the tail of the wing using small, steady strokes. You're not erasing the whole thing, you're just reshaping the outline. Tip number 3, the concealer eraser. Use a small brush, it could be angled or flat, or maybe none of them. You can use whatever you feel comfortable with. And then dip it into your creamy concealer or the foundation which matches your skin tone. And then again, gently trace along the edge of your wing. And then after putting the concealer onto your eyelid to clean up the area, you can blend it outward or inward to make a natural effect and to erase it completely, as if nothing has happened. You know, because sometimes we're in a rush and we don't have time to get ready again and to do the eyeliner one more time. So these are the good tricks. Okay, that's all. And after all, mistake happens. But with these tricks, you don't need to panic. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to hit this video a thumbs up. Of course, if you like it. Thank you so much. Bye. Oh, and by the way, see you in the next video.